Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hardware. Make sure your laptop has an RJ45 port or a compatible USB to Ethernet adapter. This is why you check now. Once done, unplug or disable Wi-Fi so the system prefers the wired link. Make sure the Geo fiber cable is CAT5E or CAT6 and not damaged. That prevents speed drops. You want the modem or ONT powered on and the Geo LAN port free. Now position the laptop near the router so the cable reaches without tension. You plug the Ethernet cable into the Geo LAN port and then into your laptop or adapter. Listen for the click to know the connector is seated. If you use a USB adapter, attach it first, wait for driver install, then connect the cable. Next, open your operating system's network settings. Most Geo setups use DHCP, so you'll get an IP automatically. If Geo requires a static IP, enter the address, gateway, and DNS as provided. Make sure the network status shows connected. You should verify connectivity. Check the router's LAN LED and your laptop's link indicator, then run a speed test to confirm throughput. If you don't see a link, make sure the cable works by testing it on another device. This isolates adapter versus router problems. If the adapter isn't recognized, reinstall drivers or try a different USB port. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, replace the cable first. Faulty cables cause most stubborn drops and speed issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.